How to create an account on Gentry Alpha Runway. So just head over to runwayml.com, then just go to the Gentry Alpha option. Now from in here, you just need to click on the Sign Up It's Free button. And then once you have clicked on that, this will prompt you to the sign up page. Now you have the option to enter your email address and then sign up through there. Or you can also sign up with Google, Apple, or single sign-on. For this case, let's head over and use this Google option, and then it will open a new tab wherein our account will be prompted. So I'll head over and then choose my account right here, and then I'll just head over and then click on continue on the next page that will show. Now, once it's done, this will direct you again to the Gentry Alpha, and then this will actually put this screen right here. So head over and skip this one right here because it's just a mailing list notification. Now, once you have successfully signed up, you should be able to see in here the dashboard of Gentry Alpha, where you can do some fast and controllable next generation text video. So that's how you create an account on Gentry Alpha Runway. Hope we helped.